Hey guys, by now I'm pretty sure you've seen the fertilizer plant near Waco, Texas, and the devastating explosion. I want to point something out to you because I am devastated by the tragic loss and how the magnitude of it all. And I saw something pretty interesting in a couple videos, which I want to point out to all of you. Take note of when you see the explosion to the far left. I will slow it down for you so you can see, but something ignited that plant to explode.
Looks like it just jumped out the window.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, you okay?
Dad?
You okay?
Dad, I can't hear.
Let's take a look at that one more time.
Looks like it just jumped out the window.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
As you're going to see in this next clip of a former chemical plant fire a couple years ago, usually these fires start and get ignited at the epicenter or the middle, not from the outside. It's kind of odd that this one got ignited from the far left side. Take a look.
Height, the entire area will combust. Then, the unforgettable.
Notice how it gets ignited at the very middle and not the outside.
As the explosion erupts, a powerful shockwave careens across the landscape.
Look at this other clip of the Waco plant, which is much closer, and take notice how something from the left ignites the huge explosion, not at the epicenter of a chemical catching fire. Taking a look at that clip one more time, notice how something ignites the fire from the far left. It looks as if it's a projectile or something.
Multicolored smoke indicates that volatile chemicals continue to burn.
Taking a look at that last clip one more time, how come the explosion is only black smoke and the flames from the impact? Doesn't seem like any chemical reaction was caused. Call me crazy, call me a conspiracist. The evidence is right there, so let your eyes be the judge.